Baby, when are you taking me to South Africa?
Soon.
Baby, every time you keep telling me soon. Baby, I told my girlfriend in the village, I told Ebere that I'll be going to South Africa. I can't just wait to call her with South African number so that she will know that I've arrived. Please, now when are we going?
Listen. Speaking of South Africa, is it a must that we go to South Africa together?
But you promised to take me there.
So?
I was just curious. I can't just wait to go there. I just want to see how it looks.
That's curiosity to yourself. Stop bugging me.
Desmond. I don't understand you these days. Desmond, you have changed. This is not the Desmond I used to know. You get angry at every slightest provocation. Why?
That's because you piss me off with your silly questions. Now let me tell you, enough of this South African thing.
Hi, baby. Good morning, honey.
Good morning.
Anyway, I hope you've not forgotten what today's date is.
So what's so special about today?
Today is a very special day in my life. My birthday! Baby.
You're making this sound like I won one big contract or there's a big project coming my way. So, your birthday. So what do I do?
Honey, I don't understand you. I just told you that today is my birthday, a very special day in my life. And look at what you're saying to me, my own husband.
So what do you want me to do now? No, tell me.
At least you should wish me well. Long life and prosperity is all I deserve as your wife.
Oh, my wonderful wife, precious, angelic wife just said I should wish her a happy birthday. Happy birthday, darling. I hope that's enough. Excuse me.
It is not enough. You aren't going anywhere. You should take me out.
Alright, I heard you. A cup of ice cream or two will do. Maybe probably one of this fast food journey. Is that okay? Excuse me. Come on. Jen, where's Jerry? Meet me outside.
Hey, what kind of a man can I get married to? Are you going out?
No. I'm not going out. I'm going in. You see?
You and your wife will not kill.
Why are you talking to me like that? Is there a problem?
You see what I keep telling you about this bitch? You see what I keep telling you about this girl? Bugging me all the time. What's the problem? I won't even have a moment of rest in this house.
I don't understand you. You were supposed to take me out.
Take you out? As in what? I'm sorry to disappoint you. We never had that discussion. Do you understand me? Nigga, you see what I keep telling you? No, don't tell me to calm down, Jerry. I don't like that. She's fond of this. Now you listen and listen real good. Go right in there to the kitchen and prepare my meal. That's where you belong, and the other room.
Your meal shouldn't be an excuse. Your meal is ready. I've prepared it.
Alright?
The issue is where you're going to.
You heard me. Get out of here! Bitch!
You're stupid! I said, you are stupid!
Desmond, you are the one who is very stupid, hopeless, shameless! Are you not supposed to be a responsible married man? Look at what you've turned yourself into, you stink!
You called me a drunk, all sort of names. It is not your fault. It's not your just look at you. Idiots that I brought I brought out of that poverty-stricken home of yours. Yes. You guys never had food to eat. I was the one responsible for your being this girl today. Yet you still don't appreciate me. What do I get in return? Nagging. Insults. Idiot.
My goodness! What? Hey! Desmond! Give that to me. Desmond. So this is what you carry about? Desmond, you're shameless. Desmond, I cursed the day I met you.
You're talking to me like poverty.
Desmond!
Yes. You are a very stupid woman, that's what you are.
Desmond, you didn't raise your hand against me.
And I will raise my hands over and over and over. If you don't, as a matter of fact, I will use my belt and whip the hell out of your stupid ass. Retarded bitch who is supposed to be appreciating all my efforts. Idiot. Not your fault.
Baby.
Everywhere.
You're here.
What's up, boo baby?
Yeah. I'm ready to go.
That's my baby right there. That's my baby right there. It's all good, man. You know how I do, baby. All right, I will heat you up at the club. You understand? You know when you jack it up like. You know how you jack it up like.
Yeah, dude. But don't forget to bring the money when you're coming.
You know I've done the money spending. As long as you give me this, tweak it up, tweak it up,
Yeah,
tweak it up.
All right.
That's my baby. All right, then. Be good, huh? So what are you supposed to do? Tweak it up, baby. Yeah, tweak it up. 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 Tweak it. Tweak it. Tweak it up. Tweak it up. Tweak it up. You always come low. You always come low.
Desmond! Desmond! Who is that girl? I am asking you a question! Who is that girl?
Sometimes I wonder if this house belongs to you or me. Huh?
Desmond, what are you talking about? That I saw a strange girl in my matrimonial home. I shouldn't talk? Who the hell is she?
Don't raise your voice at me. Do you understand me?
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. I'm calm. But please tell me, who is she and what is she doing in our house? Who?
She's just a friend. That's just a friend.
What do you mean by that? A friend? But I don't know her.
You still know all my friends? You know the kind of friends I have out there?
Oh, please don't tell me that. You call her just your friend, but I saw her kissing you. Why are you lying?
Oh, so with all the education I gave you, you still don't know the difference between kiss and pay?
Desmond, stop lying to me. What is wrong with you? I saw her kiss you and you're still lying? Why would you kiss a girl that is not your wife?
Don't talk to me in that manner. I'm your husband.
I'm your wife, for crying out loud. What are you talking about? What are you doing with a strange girl in my house? Our house!
Word of correction. Did I just hear you clearly? You said our house? Oh, this house that I built with my own money, with my own cheddar, with my own moolah, with my own dough, with my own Benjamin, is what you refer to as our house?
You heard me properly!
You must be insane. And your retarded father out there afford this kind of exquisite queen.
Can he afford this kind of a sweet seat mansion? He can't because he doesn't have the money. He can't because he is a nobody. He can't because he is retarded. Now, just mind the way you talk. Mind the way you talk.
Desmond, I have warned you. I have warned you time to that number that on no account should you involve my parents in any discussion I'm having with you. We wouldn't listen. Desmond, I don't like it though. I don't like it.
Now, right this minute, I want you to get out of my sight. Get out! Get out!
Oh, my eyes have seen my ears. Desmond is not who we think he is. He yells at me. He talks to me anyhow. He gets angry at me in every single thing I do. He treats me like a house girl. But I'm tired. I'm very tired.
Men are like that. Just follow him with caution. Then gradually you will begin to understand him. And he too will begin to understand you. And everything will be fine. You understand what I'm saying?
Mama, it's not easy for me. It's not easy for me. I'll try. I saw a gun in the drawer at the dining. What is gun doing in this house?
Don't let me repeat myself. I said get me food we eat.
Desmond, I demand to know what you are doing with a gun. Why do you have a gun in your house?
You want to know what I'm doing with a gun?
Yes!
You want to know what I'm doing with a gun? You want to know what I'm doing with a gun? You want to know what I'm doing with a gun?
Desmond! Desmond!
Oh!
No,
what do you mean you don't want? Are you not supposed to be my wife? Huh?
I am not in the mood for all this. Leave me alone.
Oh, come on.
I'm not in the mood for that. I said I'm not in the mood for that. Leave me. I'm not doing this with you. Leave me.
you not supposed to be my wife? Huh?
I said I do not want. Let go! My body. Nobody is soft with a woman.
Have you made my breakfast?
It's at the dining.
My food is at the dining.
Seriously, I'm not happy. I don't like the way you've been treating me lately. You don't treat me as your wife. Last night you dragged me as if I was a dog. Now you started it again. Please. You should stop this thing you're doing. I'm not feeling fine. I need money. I need money to go to the hospital and take care of myself.
You need money to go to the hospital?
Yeah.
Tell her to the next.
Imano kwerekwe Kamuziano wemo Okaro mobi Ujina tumo Oboko asiade Kosiato, kosiafo Love unerekoko Love a woman.
Can I help you? What the fuck? You asking me if you can help me? What a rude way of talking to me. What the hell do you think you are? Do you know me? Do you know who I am?
Are you mad? Look at this cheap whore. Hello? Have you lost your senses? So you came to my husband's house. Oh, you don't know that Desmond is married. And you opened your silly mouth to ask me stupid questions. Are you mad? Have you lost it? I said, will you shut up your mouth? Don't you have manners? Don't you know how to welcome visitors? Shut up! Who are you?
My friend, if you don't know what to say, just shut your mouth and get your filthy self out from my way. Let me get
You are the one who have to shut your mouth.
Shut it! Look at you!
You are very shameless. You are epitome of shame. You're very stupid. So you come to my husband's house and order me around. As who? If you try any nonsense with me, I will break you. Get out of my house! Get out of my house!
Enough of that. Now tell me what's going on.
You ask this prostitute what she's doing in my house.
Baby, can you imagine this filthy thing? You call it wife. I don't even know what she's calling herself. She's asking me if she can help me. She's even crowning all. She's even calling me names. That I'm a prostitute. She's going to break my head. Desmond, because I came to look for you. Desmond, you better take care of this shit.
Now I ask you, did you say all this to her?
I didn't.
She's lying. Desmond, she is lying.
Because I knew
How many times have I ever warned you not to ever insult my visitors or embarrass them in any sort of ways?
You slapping me because of this whore? You slapping your wife?
And he will slap you again if you don't mind your business. Rubbish.
You understand?
asking me where I'm going to. What business of yours is that? Now, do not ask me such questions anymore. Do you understand me?
Honey, what have I done wrong? But I asked my own husband where he's going to. When has that become a problem?
So now I've become your houseboy, you ask a question anyhow you like. Huh?
I never said you're my houseboy, but as your wife, I demand to know your whereabouts, and that's not a problem.
Don't ask me such questions anymore, so you don't see the other side of me.
Okay, baby, wait. Please. I want to ask you for something. Please, when I need money to make my hair is old.
You need money to fix your hair. I'm sorry I don't have money. And speaking of hair, what's wrong with the hair though? Talking of your hair being old. When you were in your retarded father's house, you make new hair then? No, I ask you.
I don't like what you just said right now. I don't like it. I have told you time to that number that whenever I'm discussing anything with you, you shouldn't get my parents
Oh,
involved.
will you shut up, trap? Who's your parents? Who's your parents? The truth of the matter right now is that I'm sick and tired of you. I'm sick of you. Sick of you. I need you no more in my life. It's clearly obvious you're tired of this marriage, and that's what it is. I'm not listening for the reasons. Listen and listen real. By the time I come back, I don't want to see you anywhere near this place again. I've just told you that. Just get that.
All right.
Respect whatever I say. Do you understand me?
All right, honey, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to hurt you. I didn't mean to annoy you, please. I'm sorry.
Let that sorry take it to your father. Take that sorry to your father. That's not for me. Excuse me. Not honey me. I've told you countless times not to call me honey. I'm not interested. Do you understand me?
Please, honey, I'm sorry. It will not happen again.
Sorry for your sorry ears. I don't need that.
Okay, give me a second chance. I will not offend you again, please. I'm sorry. Please, my love.
Seems you don't get the picture right. You don't get the picture.
That's what I'm saying, please. I'm very sorry, please. I promise not to do it again. I will never offend you again. Please.
You won't get a picture right now.
Honey?
Where does it picture? So watch me act.
Honey? Honey, please, wait. Honey, please. Honey. Honey, please. I'm begging. Honey. Honey, why is your face like this? Huh? Honey, are you okay? Honey.
Funanya, what is it? Funanya, what is it? You're crying. Funanya, what happened? Talk to me and your mother. What happened? Funanya.
I did not do anything to him. I only asked him for money to make my hair. And this man brought out gun that he was going to shoot me.
Wait. You asked him for money to make your hair? And he brought out a gun to shoot you. Is he mad?
Mama, I don't know. Mama, please. I need you to help me beg this month. I don't want the villagers to mock me. I want to go back to my desperate, please.
Nobody will mock you. You're my daughter. I will go and talk to him. And you will go back to your house. Stop crying, please. Eh?
Who do we have here? You are beaming with smiles as somebody that won a lottery. Eh? By the way, have you finished enjoying your breath of fresh air with this one they done?
Nani, please, instead of you to sympathize with your daughter, you're here laughing at her.
Oh, why should I find out why she's crying? She's crying because she wants to cry.
You can see that she's heartbroken.
Oh, she's already heartbroken. No, don't worry, this is the beginning, is the starting point. Acupuncture, Amadara. That is just that. Have a breath of fresh air.
Nani, go now.
Love you,
Nani.
Yes.
I want to ask you to please go and see our in-law.
Who is your in-law?
Desmond, our in-law.
Desmond is not my in-law. He is your in-law. So don't call him my in-law.
Okay. Let's not argue over that.
Okay.
But I would like you to go and see him, so you can discuss this issue with our daughter. I mean, why would he pull out a gun to shoot her? It doesn't make sense. If you go and represent yourself as her father, you should have respect for my daughter, our daughter.
Did you not invite Anika, my brother, to stand by you when you wanted to give Finaya's hand in marriage? You can still go to Anika and ask him to go and meet Desmond and bring the inquiry of whatever you demand from him.
From all you're saying, it's obvious you don't want to go. No problem. I will go and see him. But let me tell you something. It is quite unfortunate that there will be a man in the house and I will be expected to go and meet the in-law. No problem. I will be the man. I will go and represent my daughter.
You have been doing the work of the man in this house. So go ahead. Carry on with your good work. Carry on.
No problem. This is your state of poverty from the day I married you. Still written all over you. And the decisions you take in life.
Desmond would have blasted her head with that gun. You're marrying a rich man.
Hey, my in-law. The dawn.
Listen to me. Do not call me your in-law. Do you understand me?
The dawn.
Hey, don't even step on me. Get down.
Please. Whatever Funanya has done to you, forgive her. With time, she will learn, she will understand you better, and then you would understand her, and you people would live happily.
Listen, Mama. As far as I'm concerned, your daughter is a waste being on me.
Eh?
She's a waste being on me.
Waste being?
Yeah, that's what it is.
What's waste being?
Okay. Tell you something. You don't get it cold right now, huh?
Cold?
You don't understand me cold.
Are you crying for Funanya? But she loves you. Oh, my dear son, she loves you. Please don't cry. Stop crying, my in-law. Stop crying.
Wait for me.
The poor boy is crying. My daughter is equally crying. That means they love each other so much. Crying with his mouth wide open for that matter. Oh.
Mana speak.
Gone?
Mana speaks.
Wait.
Mana.
Gone?
Mana. Hey, yo, mama, come to. Mana. You would have waited for me, mama. Say Mana speaks. Mana. You waited. You were mad.
Forgiving me. Mama, talk to me now.
Why?
What did he say?
My eyes saw the back of my face. I am volunteering. Why for Bethlehem?
What happened? Tell me.
Hey, there is no way I will go back to that house again. Do you know it's only God that saved me?
Tell me exactly what happened. What is the problem?
That boy almost shot me. He almost shot me with his gun.
Why?
There's no way I'm going back there. That boy is mad though. He is really mad. There's no way you're going back there.
Please. I cannot stay here. I need to go back to my husband's house. Are you saying I cannot go back to my husband's house again?
Instead of you to thank God that I came out alive, you're here talking about going back to your husband's house. You're on your own.
I really want to go back to my husband's house. I don't want to really just to want me. What will become of me, Mama? To understand this thing. Mama, why are you limping? Huh?
From where? Can't see where that. That's how I fell in his house.
Hey,
yeah?
Okay, I'm sorry. Please. Oh, let me help you up, okay? So you go and rest.
You are not even crying like a real woman who has seen a breath of fresh air.
Why are you doing this to me?
Do what am I doing?
Papa, you know very well that I'm heartbroken now. Is this what you should be telling me?
Oh, she's heartbroken. Why not climb a tree and shout it to the entire village that I'm heartbroken? I'm heartbroken. I'm heartbroken. When you believe me, go and climb the tree and tell them you're heartbroken. Promise.
You're still crying? You're still crying over that young man? Do you want to kill yourself because of him?
No, Mama, I want to go back to my husband's house. I want to go back to Desmond.
That is not why you should die because of Desmond. Go and talk to your father's brother, Anika. Maybe he can help us. Oh? It's okay. Oh my dear, stop crying. Let's go inside. Let's go inside. Ebezina.
Let me understand. You say you want me to go to the city and talk to your in-law this morning.
Exactly.
And that last time you were there, he had a gun and nearly shot you.
Yes, sir.
And you still want me to go there?
Yes, I want you to go there and talk to him. Let him come back here and take his wife. That's all.
You know, it's been a long time sitting.
I might not find my way back home. I might get lost there.
No, you will not get lost. I'm going to write down the directions for you and put down the address. There's no way you will get lost. So don't worry about that one. It will be taken care of.
But with the address does not mean I can't get lost in the city. You know how city is.
I can see that you really don't want to go.
You're just Billy Livered. You're not a man in the good sense of the word.
You're just sitting like a woman. You don't want to do anything. No problem.
Don't worry. I will handle this thing.
Thank you.
We are going.
Yes.
You want me to go and die for what I don't know?
What are we going to do about this thing? This marriage thing?
I've told you to stop using that word. We. It is you. Whatever you want to say, you say you on your own. When you were jumping from point to point, place to place, shouting the dawn, you never believed that a day like this will come. You didn't believe. A daughter, just your only child. A man came from nowhere. You've never seen him before, and you determined that this man was the best to marry your daughter.
Well, I am sorry for not coming to you. You know, you have this gift of seeing into the future. But the thing is, which way forward?
Have you ever taken any of my words seriously?
Fumnaya, where are you going to?
I'm going back to beg my husband. I'm going to Desmond. I am tired of all this.
You're going back to Desmond's house?
Yes.
Do you want to die?
Is it not better for me? Is it not better I die in my husband's house than to live here with the shame and disgrace from the villagers and from my father? Is it not better?
Chelkwang, my daughter, I can't allow that. You're not going anywhere.
Mama, don't touch me. Don't touch me.
I shouldn't touch you.
You heard me.
Is it me you're talking to like that? Try it one more time and I will dislocate your jaw for you.
Mama, I will talk to you anyhow. Because you do not deserve my respect. You are responsible for my present predicament. Look at me. What nonsense. Break my jaw now. Break my jaw. Hey! Hey!
So it is me that you're using that mouth you used to suck this breast to abuse, eh? It shall never be well with you. Eh? Yes, it will not be well.
Mama, it will not be well with you too. It will never be well with you. Look at you. Are you a good mother? Are you a good mother? Have you seen what you've done to me? You've ruined my life. I cursed the day you conceived me. You're a very wicked woman.
So you now curse me. With this mouth that you used to suck this breast, you now curse me. You know what? I disown you.
Look at what you're talking about. I disown you too. I do not even want you as my mother again. What have you done for me? You have misled me. You useless your life. You useless your life with Olisa. You useless your life with God. You useless your life with Olisa. And my God will just you. God will just they can package you together. You useless your life for 4 years with Olisa. You are just a greedy woman. Look at you. You are not satisfied. You can never be satisfied. Don't talk to me.
What? Me? Beg Olisa on your behalf. It's a lie. You're a liar. I cannot do that. Fumnanya, when I was busy begging you to think twice before you take a decision, you refused and you called me a jealous friend. Now you have come to me to help you beg Olisa on your behalf. It's a lie. I cannot do it.
Babe, why are you talking like this? Please, I need your help. Please.
Please, 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 please. Fumnanya, I beg you in the name of God. Please, we are not sisters anymore. We are not blood related anymore. Don't call me your sister again. If you want to talk to Lisa, use your leg and your mouth and go and talk to him. I can never and will never do that. If you know where you took your bath, go there and collect your clothes.
Obula jonro kamukulite Ifoma mjinaka odanarumo Onyoma mbunobi akonarumo Asimuka mbakwa Akwe Ebere obube Ejegono muyoya Imano kwerekwe Kambuziano wemo Okaro Obi.
I can hear you.
Papa, I know I have really offended you. I have disrespected you in so many ways. I'm sorry. It wasn't my fault. It was Mama that deceived me. Papa, the truth is that I never loved Desmond. It was Olisa I loved so much. But Mama deceived me to get married to Desmond because he said he was going to take me to abroad.
Can you hear yourself? Just listen to yourself. A grown-up like you, a university graduate, does not know her left and her right. So shameful.
Papa, please forgive me. I will not do it again. I'm sorry, Papa.
There is nothing to forgive here. You didn't offend me. The person you owe apology is Olisa. So go and look for Olisa wherever you may find him and apologize to him. That's all.
But Olisa is not picking my calls. I've called him severally. He doesn't talk to me.
From now, you are disturbing me. Let me, I want to have some peace and rest.
Your food is ready.
When last did you serve me food in this house? Did I tell you I was hungry? Please take this thing out of here.
Some people left their husband's house to come and give my husband food in my husband's house.
Take it away, please.
Anyway, my darling, my shoo. Don't mind that girl. Honey, what would you like to eat? Just tell me, let me go and prepare it for you.
Did I beg you for food? Did I tell you I am hungry? I don't need to eat, please. Just let me rest.
When you're ready to eat, just tell me what you want. I'll go and prepare it for you.
Seriously, I haven't been able to sleep. I have been having a series of nightmares.
And how is any of that my business?
I don't think it's your business. I want to go and see Olisa in the city. Ebere, why are you treating your sister like this? It's unfair. It's me. Why are you behaving like this? I need you to lend me some money. Please, I'll pay you back.
You want me to lend you some money? Didn't you come back from Lon's house? I told you. all. You did not tell me everything. You did not.
Okay. My husband beat me up and threw me out of the house. I did not come out with a pin. I came out only with my handbag. I have nothing with me. I have nothing. Please, my sister, help me, please.
In my mind against you. It's long gone.
No, you do, please. Lisa, if you don't forgive me, I can never forgive myself. I know from the depth of my soul I have sinned against you. I've hurt you deeply. That's why I'm asking for your forgiveness. Please, forgive me. Please.
Let me even ask you. Where's your husband? What's his name again? Desmond the Don. Is he aware you're here?
Please do not talk about him. I don't love him. Lisa, it's you I love. Please, do not throw me away. Please, you're my last hope. Please, please, I beg.
Please, girl. Just get
Please, forgive me. I'm very sorry. Please. I know you still love me. If not 100%, but at least 50. Please. I am ready to do anything you want. If you want us to get married today, tomorrow, anytime. Please, I am ready for you. I'm sorry. Please.
See how smooth that came out of you. See how smooth you said it. It was very easy for you, right? But I think you seem to forget very fast. You seem to forget that this is not just me and you. We're people. We come from a place. It wasn't just me. My parents, the whole community were involved. My mother, my father, everybody. So how can you just come here and think it's just our only decision?
No,
it doesn't work that way.
Before I came here, I already decided to apologize to anyone I have wronged. I'll go to mother and apologize. I'll go to father, anybody, any of your relations. Please. I'm ready to ask for forgiveness.
Well, I don't think it will be necessary.
Olisa, please.
never allow anything to hurt you. Never. Please. Please don't do this.
I made your favorite. Please eat.
I can't remember ever telling you that I was hungry.
But you've not eaten since I got here.
I think you're pushing this thing too far. Excuse me.
Really? Baby.
Post office. I have something to sort out there.
I mean, can't I spend the night here?
That's not possible.
I don't want anywhere to go.
It's not true. Hey, stop! Your cousin Juliet lives in this town. You can go there and sleep, please.
Okay. But can I come back tomorrow?
If you like. Come on, please, I'm late. Come on. Yes, come in. Come in.
Good evening. I brought you fruits. Your favorite fruits.
Why are you doing this?
What am I doing?
There's no need for this.
My dear, I thought you'd forgiven me.
See, from Naya, it's not about forgiving you. It's you just acting as if nothing ever happened before now. And moreover, I think you're pushing this too fast. I think you should just take this things easy. Moreover, I'll be traveling tomorrow I'll be traveling tomorrow, so I'm really tidying up some things.
Traveling?
Yes.
Where are you traveling to?
Well, if you must know, I'm going to Abuja, and from there I'm going to the village.
Then I can come with you, right?
Of course, you know that's not possible. Most I'll be flying, and from Abuja I'll be going to the village.
You told me you do not want me in your house. Are you throwing me away indirectly?
Far be it from Naya. If I don't want you there, you wouldn't have stepped in here in the first place. Just take it easy, like I said, okay? Please. But what I'm saying is that I'm forgiving from Naya.
Hey!
Agunde, please come, let me ask you something. Hey! Papa! Even if it is charm they used on you, Papa, tell them it will not work. Hey! Because I won't be alive and watch them destroy my son.